Hi everyone, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mommy, and if you like budget-friendly DIYs, you are going to love my $450 basement bathroom refresh. We don't use this bathroom in our basement very much, so an update was long overdue. I was totally ready to get rid of the outdated silver chrome fixtures. The first thing that had to go was the light fixture, and I replaced it with one that had a slightly different backing, so I had to touch up the paint before I hung it, but it wasn't a big deal. I found a matte black fixture that I loved on Amazon, and it was only $59.99. I'll leave a link in the description below. I have a weirdly placed electrical outlet in this bathroom, but I just went with it. I found an oval mirror for less than $100 on Amazon, and it worked well in the space. I'm so happy with these two elements. By now you can probably see the trend toward matte black accents in this bathroom, so the outdated chrome taps had to go. I found this set at Kent on sale for $149, and I absolutely love them. They definitely look more high-end than the old ones. I also added a new black and white shower curtain for $26.99 and an Amazon black mat for $17.09. I'll leave the link below to these two items. I'm loving all the black accents. Let me know in the comments, what do you think so far? There's no counter space in this bathroom, so I have this little utility cart. I didn't love how it was chrome, so I bought a can of black matte spray paint and gave it a new life. I also added baskets and decorative elements from my local Dollarama. The toilet area also needed a little refresh. I hung a picture frame I already had and popped in an enlarged black and white photo of my boys. I also spray painted the knob on my cabinet, added an inexpensive basket to the back of the toilet, and replaced the garbage can and toilet paper holder. And on the opposite wall, I added some dollar store frames and artwork that cost me less than $10. I think the inexpensive artwork ties in nicely with the aesthetic of the rest of the bathroom. Here's another look at the area where the toilet is. And here's another look at the opposite wall. And here's my favorite part, the new light fixture, mirror, and sink. I'm pretty impressed with this bathroom transformation for less than $450, but let me know in the comments, what do you think? Do you like what I've done? If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.